My name is Debra Richards, and I am the Financial Aid Director at Sessions College for Professional Design. I have been here for 6 years. I had 12 years of financial aid experience when I came to Sessions, and I brought my knowledge of financial aid, awarding and dispersing funds, and my federal compliance knowledge that I had from prior schools. Sessions a little bit different being online, where I talk to students every day, but it's mostly over the phone or email, just different modes of communication with the students here. I work with the prospective students to make sure they know what aid they're eligible to take out here. I work with my continuing students to make sure they have the funds available to complete their programs. Admissions sets up our student aid appointments so that whenever we do talk to a new prospective student, admissions sets up the appointment. Financial aid will contact that student, give them all the information for their financial aid options. My job is fun just because I do a lot of different things, and I like that. It's not that I'm just doing one thing all the time. I do a lot of different things. I like talking to the students. I like interacting with the students. And I think one of the most fun things is just the people who are here at Sessions College, and the employees are a lot of fun to work with, and the atmosphere here is very good, and I really enjoy it. I've been in financial aid for 18 years and I love it, and so being able to help the student, being able to make sure that the student has the information, they have the knowledge to be able to finance and make great decisions in their financing. The loans they will have to pay back, some of the money they don't. So it's just making sure they're informed, and I love being able to assist the students in helping with their financial aid process.